Hello guys and welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today we're going to be reviewing the B Club Special Playing Cards from United States Playing Card Company. So it's got the B Cambric finish 2016, United States Playing Card Company, United States Playing Card Company, Diamondback Club Special, B Casino quality since 1892. So I don't know if these are exactly the same as they've ever been, but it's still pretty cool. I love this. It's going to be quite hard to see here, but if you look here, the tear strip has B written across it, which is nice. Cut the seal, looks really quite pressed on there. So it might take a job. So we're in, I just thought I'd show you this, a standard size number 92. So we're into the deck here. Get a seat at the table. It's very similar to the advertising card you'd get in a bicycle deck, but it has this border which matches the card, which is very cool. We have Poker Guide and we have the Joker here. So this is a little clown type jester person standing on top of a giant B. Now, so a very small jester or a very large B, but who cares, it's very cool. In a similar fashion to the tally-ho, it's got a second one here that's black and white. And then we're into the cards themselves. So we've got B, Consolidated Dougherty 92, got a little beehive there in the middle of the ace with a ton of little bees around it. Some floral work, some bigger bees, nice flowers, and this sort of banner across the bottom. Standard faces again, still very cool. I think these are of a thinner stock than the tally-hos, but as you'll be able to see, it's very, very much the same faces. Standard for United States Playing Card Company, but they live on. They're gonna be around for a long, long time. And for this, this is more of a budget deck, so you wouldn't expect anything crazily custom anyway. Side here, I like the fact you can see the back design come through, especially as you take it straight out of the tuck case. But these feel pretty cool. The back here is this sort of just crisscross pattern of like a thicker made up line there, and then a slightly thinner in the middle. Yeah, looks very cool. Where they cross over, it sort of makes little tiny diamonds, as you can see there. And so the handling. So this will be potentially the reason why these decks are used in casinos. And that's the handling. See that? They just sort of melt together like butter, you see? The handling is phenomenal, straight out of the pack. So these haven't been prepped or broken in any way. These are literally straight out of the pack. And look, it's just amazing handling. Very, very nice. Brilliant. They're very flexible. They're very they're a lot softer. It's actually making it kind of unpredictable for me. I'm very much used to bicycle. But here, these bees, they've just got really nice handling to them. Yeah, really good. Let's check the... Now that looks very cool together. Creates sort of a different pattern in between each of these cards here. They feel amazing. With the standard faces, you don't get much different to what you get from a bicycle deck with it when it comes to the fan. Stock is fantastic on these. I mean, the difference is going to be micron. So I'm going to have to learn a whole new deck and learn the handling of a whole completely different deck. It's very, very, very thin. It moves a lot more fluidly. It's less erratic and jumpy, but it sort of also makes it more of a job to do any of the basic moves I can do, because I'm a novice when it comes to cardistry. You know, shuffle cards, I can perform some sleight of hand, I can do some magic, but this is very much new ground for me, having to learn this stock here. But I love them. They feel phenomenal, and I didn't expect that from a deck so cheap. But I think these are about £3.49 maybe. Absolutely brilliant. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time when we'll be reviewing something else. Take care.